Good morning, my friend. Today is a fresh opportunity, an empty canvas for your mind and spirit. Find a comfortable seated position, either on a cushion or a chair. Sit tall, yet relaxed, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep inhale through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Let each breath be an invitation to awaken fully. Now bring awareness to your body. Psychology tells us that grounding ourselves in physical sensations helps reduce morning sluggishness and negative rumination. Feel the weight of your seat bones on the cushion. Notice your feet planted on the floor. Scan up through your legs. Release any tension in your thighs and hips. Soften your belly, your chest. Allow your shoulders to drop. Relax your jaw. Feel the support beneath you. You are held and safe. Shift your attention to your breath. Let's use a gentle box breath, known in psychology, to boost focus and calm the mind. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. And exhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Repeat 2 more rounds at your own pace, inviting clarity and energy with each cycle. Now, harness the power of positive psychology. Research shows that setting a growth intention each morning increases motivation and well-being. Now, silently ask yourself, what quality do I wish to embody today? Perhaps it's patience, resilience, creativity, kindness, formulated as a present tense intention. I move through today with ease, or I greet each moment with curiosity. Repeat this intention 3 times, letting it resonate through your body. Close your eyes and imagine the day ahead. See yourself moving through tasks with calm confidence, handling challenges with clear thinking, interacting with others from a place of compassion and presence. Visualization activates at same neural pathways as real experience. So you are programming your mind for success and positivity. Let's practice morning gratitude, a scientifically proven mood booster. Think of 3 things you are grateful for right now. It could be a warmth of your blanket, the taste of your coffee, the ability to breathe freely. As you name each one, notice how your chest softens, your mind brightens. Gratitude rewires your brain toward positivity. So take this moment to cultivate optimism. Now return your focus to your breath, natural and effortless. Feel the energy and clarity you've invited into this morning. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch gently if you'd like. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Carry this renewed sense of presence, intention, and gratitude into your day. Thank you for gifting yourself this moment. I hope you have a great day.